wondering, sort of following along with that, if you could speak to the relationship between the Muslim Brotherhood and the Egyptian military, as there are strategic implications between the U.S. and the Egyptian military, and how you see that working out. Is the Brotherhood in power? How does that dynamic play out?
The question is about the relationship between the Muslim Brotherhood and the Egyptian military.
Sure. Well, you know, on the eve of the Egyptian revolution, Hillary Clinton, I'm not sure if it was Hillary or a State Department spokesman, who declared that Egypt is stable. This is a memorable statement, and a lot of people laugh at it in retrospect. But there's a case for not laughing at it. There's a case for saying, actually, perhaps there is continuity, and there hasn't really been a revolution yet in Egypt. That may seem like a strange thing to say, but I have an uncle who's an Islamic history scholar. It's kind of a family business for us. And he feels that Egypt is stable and the Mamluks are still in command. That is the idea that a kind of a military elite gleaned from certain areas, at one time from far away, from as far as Georgia and Azerbaijan, continues to, in its own way, have a certain continuity. And really there has been not uninterrupted military rule for a very long time, even during the monarchy, certainly in the past 50 years. On the other hand, Mohammed Morsi did fire the most senior military officials. He has not penetrated the leadership or level of generals to our understanding. So there is a sense that the Brotherhood, in addition to accommodating the United States, is also in a delicate balancing act with the military. And it would be possible for the military to unseat the Brotherhood, but it probably would prefer to maintain its position in society, in the economy, and so on, and introduce red lines that the Brotherhood would observe. The Brotherhood, in turn, would aim to pursue the Turkish model of gradual transformation of the cultural fabric, the society itself, in such a way that over time, the military itself, being an organic part of the society, would in effect become a component of this ideological stream.
And for anyone who didn't get the Mamluk reference, the Mamluk were a medieval rulers of Egypt who actually defeated the Mongols as they were coming across. So to say that the Mamluks are still in charge is to say something indeed.